Good morning, fellow Sierra Leoneans. It depends to the part of the whole day. As today, na the 1st of February 2021. You don't say I no can live. I want can live for talk about few things that affect we Sierra Leonean them. I want to talk about the irresponsible behavior of President Bio and the SLP government. And I also want to talk about some injustice that happen to certain people them. We mean one part people don't face the injustice as alone. Then I advise the APC party for unite rather than look distractors them. Why are they talk so? I don't see very recently we see somebody call himself Peter Conte from the United States where they don't come file a lawsuit against the APC party. Well, I want just make like we all know say the APC party big pass each and every one of we all know the effect na APC today, the party big pass we all. Nobody know the big pass the party and the party not to family property, meaning and to think the party first. You know, we can always advise people them. If we all put the party interest first, something like that episode today they happen with we. But because we all don't feel say we big pass the party, or people for listen you by force, you know the follow protocols, you know the follow the respect we have for putting your case, or any jack and Jill will grab for run going to court, say to go file against the APC party. Well, I want to talk to the membership, especially who the grassroots. We get for try for put an end of this madness. We people don't start. You know, we accept NRM, where they're going to court all shooting and the effect of what be happen with Sweden and day. We they in the nick for go adopt a new constitution and slam injunction power we all team point. So I think some people are not taken now as a chance. Say anybody can just grab. Even if maybe you're not a paid up member, you might be a member, but you're not even paid up member, for can't slam the APC party. I want to these are distractors. These are people who they not get the party attached. These are people who they just feel safe. They for just come and for let them make themselves important, for let them feel themselves relevant. However, everybody in view important than APC. Everybody, we all view important because that make we try to say we want unity, we want all my view. That make we call for make new constitution because so many people have the old constitution and make we go opposition, which they forget say the same constitution we in the crisis when to governance in 2007. The same 1995 constitution we all people in the Alapaso today who all say law change them at least for amend them for let it be more democratic. But now we use in 2005 we win election in 2007. If we all agree say law will do so, people will be respected. Law will just respect leadership. For now, we get polluted before, we get chairman and leader, we get chairman and leader, we get secretary general, we get that things you make you complain in an appropriate manner. And I believe say you will be hard. Some of you all can talk. We'll get chance for secretary general. We will tell them one or two things we say that affect the party and how to amend them. If you get chance for chairman and leader, then go listen to you. They must take note. But this habit of people just go grab one person grab them or go file lawsuit. And which the SLPP, they're ready for all any case where it don't concern APC. Then go push them, then go make them because they want to get multiple cases them for distracting from what they try for do for bring party together. But however, be the temple say, then not forget nothing for do to APC. We fulfill free and continue with party activities them because the party then can force. Within opposition, very tough opposition. The government will respect the rule of law. The government will respect people them. People and the way they just feel say, then just worthless. They need to listen. They feel say then important. You know, if you want to put APC in a court, what you don't do for APC? You know, because now we need people to come on board. Can't challenge the government, can't challenge the bad thing, can't challenge the injustice. When them they arrest you, Peter Conte, what you do? You been cancelled alone. What are the crisis? When the party to go on this trial, this tribulation time, what you don't do? You know, we get for look, we the grassroots, we get for look at this thing critically. People are not doing this thing for support the party, they do it for self-interest. They do it maybe for let them feel they sabi them. And we the APC, we don't begin get fed up with this year for say any Jack and Jill can just grab that corner, he send lawyer for lawyer go put the APC party in a court. Well, the APC party still get a constitution, the 1995 constitution. We still get them. Now all say law change them. But if people don't get chance, I think we can go with the old one. You know, sometimes I like for say the naked truth. Now we all say law change that 1995 constitution, yes, because we want to be more democratic. We want to be more let people feel seen that they elect the leaders and rather selecting the leaders. We want let people feel free. We want to get more members and view. Now make we not just go and change constitution. They allow people them make them send them back for let people say from zone to ward to constituency to district to region. say let all man look and send them. So at least people left understand say the APC party, in as much as one make a democratic, but people left respect themselves again. Not to anybody to just grab, go to court, say I go file lawsuit for APC. At this time, we try for unite the party for bring another distraction because it does not say the APC already a date. We will forget to mini conventions and take out to national convention. So they want get set back for whole lot on we. And that is the welcome idea of the SLPP. Some of them people are the tell us. Some of these guys, they are not as some of them now. Too many people them, some of them are Limba brothers, and so on and so forth. But these guys, we the CISO, now people them, we now paid up SLPP agent them. I want to remind you that one thing, especially with APC people them. So many people that are not aware them they say me na APC now can appoint 207 from 212 they can't join me. Most of them in the SLPP study, so them in the UNPP, so the other party them. They not be ever associated to APC. Because not see victory in APC, then see the party they progress, then they come. These are the people where they grab now for carry the party back in the court. You know, APC party, we need for unite, we need for look at the wider angle. I don't want to say we owe the people of Salone a very, 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 very big rescue. If we fail as a political party, we don't fail the nation. Now we the people will blame because now we are the only party who play Abub say we can in 2023 we can change the mess that happens so today. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, comrade APCians, this way that happens on APC, we get for put them aside and look for the wider angle. Now make a call on the party executive in the very good will for making us stop some of the people away they come, then say then for take the party in a court rather than can't talk to the secretary general. If you know you, find a way for go to the deputy chairman, then take go to the chairman. But everybody can just grab now. Say becoming an APC. Sometimes you membership self you need to upgrade them if you go carry the party in a court because if you say an APC. Well, APC party, we get structure. And they appeal to all APC people, they all follow the structure. We all want democracy in the APC. We all say we want changes. But this kind of way they go so. Not to a better changes. If we want to do effective changes between your own party, between your house, pass to two party, can go to court. To they affect millions of people them. I want the people do say no, say not to Ernest Kromaga APC, not to Pius Anege APC, not to Michael Kromaga APC. APC party now all get them. So if you go take Ernest Kromaga because I'm the chairman leader, you take Asane winner because I'm secretary, take Michael myself because I'm deputy chairman leader, can't go to court. Now the party and we the greater majority now we don't care go to court because if they all on the party, now we don't know all on not to Ernest Kromaga, not to Pius Asane, not to Michael Masare. Matter of fact, Ernest Kromaga don't turn president for 2 terms successfully. He don't become chairman leader for 2 terms successfully. So naturally, it just now the love of the people and the party. If another person is selfish, he said he must go court like 20 years. He know they go run for presidency again. Who said this to chairman leader? You don't get all what you want in politics. We the young one enough for watch. We think we look some of them guys here. We not say these guys are evil. Not to APC, not to call APC problem. A real APC picking, pursuing a born blood APC picking. No, they ever take APC party to court. No matter the hate, what happen, it go patient. Take the things resolved within the party, not of the particular going to court at this point in time. We get trials, we get so many things, we get members in the court first. We get so many things that they try for adjust. For pulling their cases, they look honorable, can't kill them. We get so many cases they within the court, not even done that it. Then you the grab for no reason, we not even when you see the thing, they not even put reason not to make you get the party in the court. Then they take the party to court. This topic they go for the leadership. Some of them people here, I think when I don't give them so much chance, that so much leniency sometimes to members them, and they bring this. Look SLPP. Look how ruthless them they look how they been there, how they cost themselves within the party office. Then they trade what happened, then you kill there. But when I not see you kill SLPP kill going to court one day. We not see so many employees in SLPP with them they stop. The woman who happen when the chairman, then say they log it for them. You not carry the party in a court. Then be they say look them Benjamin them. Look John Karim. Now all these are key people where they're able to do anything within the party, but not to the party can go to court because they feel say if they do anything to the party, it affect the party winning. At that time, because they won't win, they're all patient. In as much as they not be like President Biu, they don't want them, he misbehave on them, he disrespect them, but they're not taken to court because they not say if it be hinder their progress. Now that's bringing the kind of power today. We didn't lose the election by vote. We lose the election because we not be unite. So they take advantage of that disunity you will get. And I talk to every APC member. Some of them people here, if we continue, we need to chase them out of the party. Because the party get the mandate for expel somebody. The party get the mandate for expel you if you're not up to the tax. So some of them people here, the party for begin expel them because we want to unite. In as much as we unite the party, we need to bring people back where they come for count, undermine the party in unity. Because taking the party to court, what you have to get for happen? They don't come for can destroy the peace of the faith. They don't come for can disturb unity. We bigger picture now for win election 2023. So we go rescue Salon to this by this anarchy right now. When I really think a country without money, country run today without single cent on the country, triangulates the hardship. When I need to grab and challenge the government, when I grab and challenge una young party, comrade APCians, we get for look at them people here and begin ask them out of a party. If you are fit for APC, do like me come recruiter I do so. I was never been a minister or I know ever holding a position, but I stood up for the people of Sierra Leone and my political party. Some of you now, when the owner take the partner court, when I don't enjoy so much, then when I don't benefit a lot under President Kroma, when I don't turn today, enemy of the party. My fellows is APCians. If we not look at them people here, we look at the wider angle. 2023, now the only son I see now the dream. We have all the options. We get all what it takes for win the election. But if we not begin for readjust yourself, we not begin size yourself up. If you like saying a dream with a dream for win, there is no divided force where they win the battle like you listen on the steer. Some of them one there, now them bad element there for win them out. Go take your family, go make a party. The party capable for expel people them when they do that. These are anti-party activities for take the whole party. Can gonna continue angry just because he be non back with NRM. You see, say that they all to ransom. So himself now make it take on himself. He's taking himself in America. He can. He say they send a lawyer for can put the party in court. Matter of fact, the person not even up to date member. Now remember, but not even up to date member of the party. Nobody when I call APC, where the wish for like APC go today, na court. When the wish for like come together, we unite yourself as a nation, unite yourself as a political party. This division no they work. Now make a call on all the flag that are aspiring them. And they call on all for make we try for come together. Once you na the Samura Kamara, the Richard Conte, the Paulo Conte, the Kelfala Mara, the JFK, the Kemosisi, the Petito, and others. Once you are together, because as soon as you unite so, before convention, the party will unite. Now, una get the unity, una get the life of this party. Among una, they present for commot. If una count the same attitude of 2018, we are heading again for the same loss like our lost 2018. Una believe this thing or una leave them. If we not stand up now, if we not think now, we don't know nothing for do. We are losing hopefully again. We are losing because no divided force, no they win election, no divided political party win election. We are going for unite. Now we get this party. Now among una president they come out. Now among una vice president get for come out. Now we are going for run this party. Now among una. So I don't see no reason for us to go back to so come in 2018 because what thing happened in 2018. If we happy again, we are going to lose again because now only because not be unite. Now in lead way to this thing. Now because not be unite, now make not get focus. We don't know how they manage rugby. Then pull on power. Today we all surprise election. We don't. We not get the result up to this time as a political party. You know, we pull na dinner governance. We not fail for protecting our party. That is the two of face. So today, I make some of we don't go jail 1 or 2 times. So competence, some of our comrades and still they poor Sierra Leoneans them still they don't kill poor people them because APC lose power. Well, than they very well. Comrade APCians, we get for look at the wider angle. We get for look at what's in the happen. We get for look at what's in the face salon today. The only party where people album say they can't change this tier na APC. And prosperity will tell on we. If we not unite, till we go back opposition, the people of this country no go ever forgive we. Because we are the only party who can change alone. We don't prove our time and again from 67 to 1985 to 2007. Now we say APC tap on the all thing tap. So if we not try again and unite, we owe the people of this country an apology. Even for your loss who lose election, who now lose, we owe members the people of this country an apology. Because today, Sierra Leoneans, both home and abroad, they don't know how APC lose election. No, but including me, there, including some of the ministers who live there. Today, one statement to get, we not lose election. Now rule the rugby. We not lose election. There's a regime change. For God's sake, that kind of statement, a very, very unfortunate statement. We not for even talk ourselves. But now without opposition, if I work out opposition, because I don't see so many things, I don't know people who have been genuine. We don't know why they just come for can't eat 9% and go. We don't know why they real party peculiar where they stand with the party. Even if we do opposition for how many years, they still stand and will defend the party, no matter the detention, no matter the intimidation, no matter the humiliation. Because maybe if we don't make opposition, we see so many things will happen, so we don't know them. But now we don't get chance for with this time follow be able to come and rehabilitate yourself. Follow able to come and restructure yourself. Let we can unite to party together. Let we can pick the fish from the bone. We don't see. The winning is very obvious for APC. Very, very obvious. Because with the CC, this direction, if it continues, so not every election, people will stand up for the right because the things are not getting better. Things they go worse every day. So this, not just for APC. Now we begin for expel people who feel say, then not just snitch, then just one camp for keeping opposition, which we don't want for the opposition. Not to win at APC. The people of Sierra Leone, including the Southeasterners, them, including people from Kailaon, from Kenima, from Pujon, from Bo, where they're not fed up, they know something happens. So you're not fine from Kono, from Krubola, from Kamakwe, from Tokolimba, across the country. Everybody know, even when they're from diaspora, where they do business, they know what's happening right now. If they can't do their business, they don't go anchor again. So this affects each and every Sierra Leonean. I can tell when I say Salon big pass all, a big pass any political party, a big pass every individual person. Now I'm going to put Salon first. Salon above your political party above you. Then they change this country. The second thing I want to tell people is they want to open their eyes by the irresponsible behavior of President Bio and the government, including his wife. We only see when we get a country where we get strong institutions. I really say we don't need strong government. We need strong institutions. Like the ACC, we see what in the likes of Abu Shor, the likes of Chernobyl, when they do their own online look like Chernobyl, don't help them very well. Waiting them fail for those them the identify person no. Now in the guide on pull soon do. With an evidence with documents, I so disappointed in Benkefala. I don't tell them say most of these guys they get for end their life, they get for end some years that jail. Because until we begin try people them, then the head them professional institution here, where they take oath for serve the constitution and not the president and not the country but the constitution. Until we begin all the other try them at court, send them to jail, other person no go left for misbehave. We get for try for all them people there, let them know say they are serving this country. They are not serving the SLPP, they are not serving President Bio, but they are serving the people of Sierra Leone because the people and taxpayers' money and they take pay them fabulous money. In the get man go talk say, you not get evidence. Whose evidence pass what's in the guy they publish now do? Your responsibility is not for defend anybody, that for call them, begin investigate from the bank. Investigate the people and the first lady. Investigate all the ministries that wouldn't come. But they in, now in they go, defend them. Let me tell you something. SLPP party, una like it or not, what una start to me as supporter commission of inquiry for accountability sake. And now una get for the proper one. Una less than 3 years, look the kind loot. 1 great month, president for take $520,000, 5.2 billion for go spend holiday na bonds Christmas. If we have $3 million, we be una all know the video they we been talking. I make like example and say, whatever thing they talk, be careful. Whatever thing they talk, be careful because records they always day. They say in one they know you sell money. Now your money be for 20 years. Also work for 20 years. Also been the work na London. If forget say people in Sabu say been in that Peckham. He say me know for 20. Now money been use. Now because they not pull the secret that do, they say that the state for responsible for that. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, this if we not think as a nation or put Salon first, the only time Salon to go before now if we challenge this SLPP government, that they go aid any other person who want come for presidency, including my own party at the APC. Because what they do so, if the APC come, they say they want to be able to do so. And they go after the pass, and they go after SLPP so. And the only time who for do that now for all President Bio in government accountable, so other person in the cabinet, they don't say if I mistake, people and they hold me accountable again. Everything that is beginning. If we not begin now for hold people there, we not believe it or not, the worst is yet to happen. Salono they ever change. Because until we begin hold people accountable, until we begin hold them one day the head institution accountable, we make them know say they are serving this nation. They are not serving President Bio. They are serving the country, not the SLP party. Salono they ever go for. What's the make them engage? Then they do them bad work because you know say if SLP come up and you go but if you do correct work, like when they so if they do correct work, they target everybody without being partisan. You don't do bias by job. As you talk about the APC party, they don't get that for that for left because you don't show credible. You don't show credible. Credibility on a lack. If they appoint you, you sign a contract with the government of Sierra Leone, not with SLP party. If the government change, that not means your service don't done. If you're not supposed to be very patriotic, you're not supposed to be honest, to get integrity, you don't need for a guard for a job. If you are doing your job, how they happen? In when you please Sierra Leone them. If you can't save now, some of who they please, you know, left that field and that guy he up to the tax. But when you work all now with hunting, all now your investigation not based on APC party and Ernest Kroma. Look how don't say we not get money in the bank. If the ACC was working, they don't know how many money don't withdraw in the bank, they don't put a stop. If the CISU been the work, the ONS, they don't know exactly how much money to go. If the financial intelligence unit been the work, they don't know all the plans not become very political. We get financial intelligence unit as alone. When they check for money laundering and do other things, they don't know say money on the bank. We get the CISU when a central intelligence security unit where the ONS. That's when they go and check. They don't know nothing. They don't know say money on the bank. So we don't go bankrupt. We get the anti-corruption commission. Then no. We get the CID. We get to call the SB special branch inside the police. When they find out that here, they don't see money on the bank. We dey look at this thing. We dey laugh. We see people with evidences. The first lady, the wedding at the state responsible. The honeymoon at the state responsible. $1 million for go honeymoon for God's sake. Would they see that here? The guy they pull out evidence with the account number. Would even the pull out when they withdraw on it with certain time. That now the first lady, he don't guilty to Sierra Leone and they say yes, he take money because now the state, now the constitution no say no the way say the state for responsible for the first lady. Now the president in conference that they survive because that you man now in the state they take care of, not to you. But all those you don't guilty. The first lady, you don't take the job of the social welfare minister, you don't take the job of the gender minister. All things that and now make out this in fraud hands of our girl because that fraud hands of our girl. You know, they don't believe in so much nepotism. They don't believe in so much tribalism. And this is what they talk to today. People that do the feel then they think because they feel we are just opposing. We are not opposing. We try for talk for let the worst not happen to una. Because una believe it, una leave it. If we will not stop listening today, if you APC get the power, una the many people them specifically. Una believe it, una leave it. Una go suffer past another person because no one a level they go say Lord turn the deaths na Tonangi. Tonangi in the case alone no say. Now we could condemn today. We will continue for condemn President Biodisi in administration. We will continue for condemn them to the highest because we know let the worst happen. We want for Lai Salome move forward. We want a better Sierra Leone. We don't want Salome be say the worst now the wait for. Fellow Sierra Leoneans. Lord look President Bio. From waiting that happen. All his statement are irresponsible statements in human. Look in human now they go and post on Facebook. Because they don't disgrace him. They go and post on Facebook. They go and make they mock himself. You know, I don't want to say that and they rule like say, they fix it and they die at this power and they come out. Because if they rule like say, get for hand over power. 2 years from now, when I go to opposition and small funa, what the old one are dignized, instead of the well. Because at the end of the day, people no go ever forgive you now. The Sierra Leoneans them, both home and abroad, the poor market woman them, the poor people them, the poor school picking them, the poor people in our village, they don't go ever forgive you now. Look who's they do the biggest campaign for free education. Free education and corruption, they do the biggest campaign. Now they see schools picking and they go to that ground for right, they not get table and chair. We see school picking them, then they sing, say, let them help them. Let them sorry for them. Look at these things that happen. We see the corruption when they campaign for. Now we don't see president inside 1 month he thief $520,000 for go enjoy Christmas. Inside 2 years, not thief $31 million. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, these are issues so enough for keep quiet. We get for look at the greater majority. We get for look at the angle of who says alone they go. Sierra Leone is warning for the worst. Up till date, where you go take money in the bank, money no day. No matter how you urgent, no matter how you able to lala, what's in the bank they give you because money no day, no day. And not only we don't blame the bankers again because the bank woman don't go talk and say money no day. And money no day, we don't even see the symptom for like Monica. We don't blame the bankers at all. This we always done because we don't tag ourselves to politics, tag ourselves to party. We feel say it the benefit we. Let me tell you something. When we work and trade, now we kill ourselves till against before the people like guy because we are sovereign state. We think the triangle right now. Now we the money. They will have to say the which man them or AU or United Nations or ECOWAS, the Jom Canada or European Union. No, now we get for telling us say we are tired of these things. We get for wise up as a nation. We get for think. Now we think as a nation. Now we hold President Bio accountable. I tell you, see, if you know allow them talk about you, if you know allow them ask you questions, don't kind to politics. No, but no force. You know, no go force Bio say Bio can't turn president. Now he say you want to rule this country. He say we get a lot of wastages and leakages. Now we don't say now not to wastages we get or leakages. Now we get drainages. The pipeline no open, pass be open. Some APC then have be small water they come out, but now drainage is in the ordinary fata. No control, nobody they know accountable because the president for some way can mumu. And in the do it with impunity, not the way you don't ever condemn. The president, they condemn anything from where come the killing of McKinney. When they kill the McKinney, they go on a bond. I tell you, woman, deep at school. They hold and they ride. When they kill, when they kill a Panama Road and kill Panama Road, they go back. Anytime when they kill Sierra Leoneans, they condemn. They say nothing. There's no explanation because now it's impunity. Tin Tranga, the same way they say day. Now they tell intake $520,000, $5.2 billion 1 month for go spend holiday. Now bond. The same way they say day. In they take $5.2 billion. Poor Sierra Leoneans, poor Maxman, poor people who get the money, getting 5 million, you getting 2 million, you getting 10 million. You want to go take money, the same money, we go for 2 million, say they give 1,500,000. Intake 5.2 billion. Now, what intake? Oh, no, what in the minister take? What in finance minister take? What in you have take? In what? Because President Bill, if they get 5 billion, and they give man to tell more than 5 billion, because you might need the money passer. If you take 5 billion, so tell them check kill it, you might not take past 10 billion. This now what in Cherno pull the Afghanistan press? What you able pull? What you gonna make you put in your no. Now what you able pull that is to be so outside as a nation, so Sierra Leone and them. If President Bill can go enjoy Christmas, 5.2 billion in Corona, where they can for let them defend themselves, they say they can do 2 weeks lockdown. After they don't go enjoy, now then they spread the 6 step because now look, I know they get fixed mask. A minister, know the chief minister, they go and dance like their hooligans them, dance like their rally boy them. Now make left and dance, hacker. I don't think I see this contract again for kids problem. Now make him brother when I be ambassador, we come out Kenya for let can destroy Salomon. Now make him not come back again. Now okay place. You not come back again. Now so God get for fed for we. Now so God kill them one the one way not me for this country because this 11-hour of a chief minister no one they can alone. You know one they can alone. You know we look at what's in the happen. Tell the world door, no can wait the world door. That man say that peace and conflict is studying a professor. Now make us say the man in hey, you better let us not say salon. No one say who that say that professor. No one say post way they say educate. Lord left from all they no go better school. Because they can will give you road, they will give you light, they will give free health care, all that things them. Lord left so no more. He said that professor study peace and conflict. He left the peace in London, he count the conflict as alone. You na professor, you never even had vice president you for a better Sierra Leone. You know, fellow Sierra Leoneans. If we not think and think wisely, if we not think and think beyond politics, if we not think and think beyond region, if we not think and think beyond tribe, Sierra Leone is what is heading for the worst. We for think beyond tribe, beyond politics, beyond region, beyond political party, we for think as a nation, we for speak as Sierra Leoneans, not as Southeasterners, not as Northwesterners, not as APC, not as SLPP, but not as Mende, not as Timini, Limba, Kranko, Maningo, Fula or Loko, no, or Creole, for speak as Sierra Leonean. We all know see this team okay, President Kuba become, he said the give light, we say light we give. He better now we get some part of it on up now Susu, where they hit for this area. Sometimes monitors the net the take and get the other area. They're not able to sustain us in the meat. The meat coming in their own, people have livelihood be day. Now we see no work no day. What make us see the rampant arm robbery now, rampant stealing, the rampant violence. You see when people go rob with aggravation, then they chap foreigner when they come. Because job no day. And most of these guys, na be ex-combatant them, na be ex-RUF, ex-Kamajo, ex-fighters them, na they be not get job and then company, so na security, so na drivers, so na dispatch, so na mechanic, so na mercenary, and they pay them at least 1-2 million for month if they survive with the family. Now, job no day. They are not used for live by the gun. And they get family, then just get for survive. We don't see. When President Nkrumah in 2007, we been get high rate of armed robbery. Ask anybody, they even imposed McP in 2008 for control them. Now that make it be wrong. Make company in camp, South Africa, mineral, London mining, and all that in them. For Cotel, we see when they come in camp, we see armed robbery done as na future, done as a low self. Because all they got be engaged per job. All man go get job, then the job things be, livelihood be can make them in names alone as the fastest growing economy because job be day. It curtail the armed robbery. Now we get broad daylight robbery. That's why we happen to do the Pakistan itself. We see that from where they kill for the last Sante. When it happened because when there's no job, an idle mind is the workshop of the devil. We see them. So at this time, when now look now, we get pandemic already happen. They will not get come, people will not get work. President Bio, they like all of go enjoy. The same way Ebola been there in the peak at the wall. We all presidents run at the wall, no go no side. Now say into UFC to go on him. We all leaders that sit on the country. Then they try for strategize. I say into himself, EMF, and go honeymoon. $1 million. Where the tell money not in the bank back. I tell EMF, and in government, and go like Southeast. In Wangrin, $520,000. What in chief minister get to know it? What in just the finance minister go don't take? We don't know. What in the other minister, the bank governor, we don't know. Where's the bank governor get mine goes na radio and television? He say money no day. So money no day, no day. You know how I say because you know patch again. Where money no day, no day, and up till now. If we not think as a nation, we left for think as a region, we left for think as a tribe, we left for think as a political party because me na APC, even if they're bad, I for defend them. Me na SLP, even if they're bad, I for defend them. These guys, this idiot in the government, when a minister, deputy minister, son, head of price, they don't get nothing to the field because all the thief, and all the loot. We all the suffer now, 7.5, in all the 200 people will enjoy this the state money. All the rest are all the suffer. So, if we not stand up as a nation, the worst is yet to happen. So before they talk to us, until self tell God is more on 10, a bad say I will go outside to eat. When they talk for the post we no get at all, we no get nothing for yourself. Now they talk for Sierra Leoneans. Let's think as a nation. If not, the worst is yet to happen. If not, we are heading for the worst and not the best. Because if we not think and think well, if we not think and think as a nation, do not believe it or not leave it, the worst is yet to happen. You know, as time goes on, we will kind of media. I'm going to do more often Facebook Live now than maybe audios because I think the greater majority will listen me. I just want to talk something about injustice. Tomorrow I will do live about time. I will do an audio with live Facebook again. For now, I listen. Tomorrow again, I will come live again for talk about injustice. The Tiwe Kemi go to jail on the 11th of February 2020. The person who is sick make go to jail is still in a jail. This bobo first I will leave my security fire for no reason because if he say na amani in bobo them, if it's na APC bobo them, a broken foot. After the time I saw now, up till date, the body in a jail with clutch a foot not well treated because you know they get adequate treatment inside jail. Now the bobo this way make a go jail. Where I go condemn. I say this bobo, the security not get it for far because you know follow the rules of engagement. Now that case they maybe get where they don't feel say where they miss get weapon, where they don't feel the weapon. Then they tell them can now, they say me don't talk something against Lima. And that's why I lecture at the army. I even the cheat at the police who the guy pomic. They tell them the rules of engagement, the laws of armed conflict, when and how they use weapon, when they use lethal weapon, when and how you they fire. Where I don't talk and done, then they charge me 25 count charge. That this thing can go to jail 7 months incarceration. Without an assistant, and this guy self. If you see a come out nado from me selling some to court na me sell back for 7 months. But I was there happily because I know see I not thief, I not kill, I not rape, I go there because I defend a poor boy, a poor Sierra Leonean, where they use injustice for nothing. Now I make a go jail. And the body in jail up to now. Tomorrow, the 2nd of February, they make 1 year for when they find our body. Even for Allah, for grant and bail. Geba no grant and bail and nothing on the high court. They're not committing case to high court. Today, appear as if 110. And when they can go na high court, for like get indictment for to get for take some time when I imagine Abat and Drami. Me what this so? Would they court me better me I take like 2 months, then me indictment come and go court. Because I'm facing and they will jail me. Abat and Drami they take 10 months when I imagine with APC, all the lads will get, they take 10 months before they get indictment. People in the party right now not take 2 years, 3 years and not get indictment. This is not the habit of the court, the judiciary. Nobody now they don't commit in case to high court, they don't go to court. If they work out clutch in foot novel today because they need to get adequate treatment. Today in foot me one rot in one quarter. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, put first time in position if na your brother, if na your pikin, if na your man, how you feel? Now we all stand up again for our body because now 1 year this. Tomorrow they make 1 year for when they fire the 2nd of February 2020 and they fire up till date. He didn't jail. Una no say he didn't jail and they deny bail. We agree. All cases available offense, let them build the ball, let men say they can court. But up to this time, nobody in a jail. I just want to learn and know say injustice for one Sierra Leonean is injustice for all. Every time somebody commits injustice to one person, injustice for all. Lord, we think as a nation. This is not the last word. God bless Sierra Leone and God save Sierra Leone.